He are happy. Wait, something's not right here. Can you figure out what's wrong? Let's fix it now. Many beginners make mistakes like this, but don't worry. Today we'll master the to-be verbs together. In English, we use am, is, and are to talk about people and things. Let's see how. First, let's learn how to use am, is, and are in positive sentences. I am happy. He, she, it is. She is a teacher. We, you, they are friends. I always goes with am. He, she, and it go with is. And we, you, and they go with are. That's all you need to remember. All right, time to test your skills. Fill in the blank. She a teacher. Is it am, is, or are? Think fast. The correct answer is, she is a teacher. Well done. Did you get it right? Let me know in the comments. Great, but what if we want to say something in the negative form? It's simple. Just add not after am, is, or are. I am not tired. He, she, it is not. He is not a doctor. We, you, they are not. We are not students. Your turn. Fill in the blank. They not my friends. Is it am, is, or are? Correct answer is they are not my friends. Did you get it right? Let me know in the comments. Now let's learn how to ask questions. It's simple, just move am, is, or are to the beginning of the sentence. Am I late? Is he, she, it, is it raining? Are we, you, they, are you ready? Your turn. Which one is correct? Is you a student, or are you a student? The correct answer is, are you a student? Did you notice the pattern? The verb to be moves before the subject in questions. Awesome. Now you know how to use am, is, and are in positive, negative, and question sentences. Let's quickly review. Let's put everything together. Here's how we use am, is, and are in all forms. I, he, she, it, we, you, they, is, are, affirmative. I am happy. She is a doctor. They are students. Negative. I am not happy. She is not a doctor. They are not students. Question. Am I happy? Is she a doctor? Are they students? Now it's your turn. Write a sentence using am, is, or are in the comments below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more lessons. See you next time.